Brandy sleeps till noon. I need to clean up her room and make the bed and do the laundry. Whatever this girl needs. And is mom and dad asleep? What are we gonna do? Brandy, she is still asleep, but her room is so unclean, and my lady doesn't care if the place is like a mess, because her mind is somewhere else. She's in a world that I can't share. But is mom and dad asleep? What are we gonna do?